Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make data entry in SPSS. So for this we are having one data set. This data set consists 8 observations and 4 variables are there. The first is gender, household income per month in IN and satisfaction from the service. This gender is based on the nominal scale. I mean the two categories are there, male and female. The household income per month is in the ratio scale. Occupation is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 categories: government jobs, on business, private jobs. Those 3 categories are there in the occupation, and the satisfaction is from the rating scale. So let's just learn how to make a data entry in SPSS. So this is, I just opened the SPSS Windows. In this there are two variables, there are two views are there. One is your variable view and second one is your data view. So once I click on the variable view, this variable window is activated, and once I click on the data view, this data view window is activated. So let's start with this. So first we have to start with this variable view. Now one by one, now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 variables are there. So first make my cursor here and then I type gender. So this is the first variable, and be careful when you are typing a name of the variable, do not make the space. If you type gender of the customer, then if you make cursor down, it shows the variable names contains an illegal character, so you are not required to give the space between names of the variable. So you just first choose the first letter. So I type here gender only. Second variable is income, so I type here is income. Third variable is occupation, so I type occupation, and fourth one is rating, or we can say it satisfaction, so I type satisfaction here. Okay, once you type all the variables, you observe that there are some of the default information coming on this window. What are these information? Learn this one. The first one is type, width, decimal, label, values, missing value, column, alignment, measure and role. So you have to change this. So you have to, one by one you have to change learn the information and change this one as per your choice. So first one is gender. So as an analyst you have to understand this data sheet. So now I come again on this data, and then gender is the nominal scale because there are having two categories, male and female. Second variable is income. Income is in the ratio scale because the exact amount of variable is being shown in the data. Third category is the occupation. The third variable is occupation. This is again in the nominal scale because it contains the 3 categories: government job, business and private job. And this is the fourth one. The next one is the satisfaction, and this is in the ratio scale. So friends, you have to change the type of the variable. So now suppose gender is nominal, so just what I have done, just make this cursor at this point, click on this, a small dialog box is open. It is asking you have to select the name, you have to select the type of the variable. So in social science studies, maybe we are having numeric variable and string variable, so just go for it and select the string variable. I select the string variable, and once I click on this OK, it is asking that okay, now string variable is this, width is 8, decimal, no need for the decimal, label. Now label is the explanation of this variable, so you can type here is gender of the customer. Now friends, you have to assign the values. The values make this thing clear that we should use the value for the variables those who are based on the nominal scale. So click on this here, and I give 1 to the male, add, and 2 for the female. What I have done here, because my variable gender is based on the nominal scale, two categories are there, male and female, so assign one for the male and two for the female. Again I repeat this one, the variables those who are only the nominal scale use these value options in the in this variable view. Second is income. Income is the ratio scale, so just I type here income of the customer. Here you can give the space. Occupation again is the nominal category, so we have to assign the values in this. So I again go for the, just type occupation of customers, and then I assign the value. Click on this. One is for government job, then add. Second is again the on business, and third one is private job. So I type 2 is for on business, add, and 3 is on private job, and then add, and at last make this okay. So now missing, here is no missing value is there in the data set, so we are not using at this point of time. Column width is 8, alignment is the left, right. Measurement is nominal, it says unknown, so do one thing, because income is my nominal scale, just make it nominal, and here you have to make this into the, okay, the income is based on the scale, so just make it scale. Occupation is nominal, so you are required to make this into the string variable, and then satisfaction is the rating scale, so to make this one in the scale. So in this way we have started with the variable view. So you entered all the variables one by one in the variable view. Once you entered all the variable in the variable view, as my data sheet is having 4 variables, then go for the data view. See the observation in this, the variables which you add in the variable view, they show in the different columns like this. And the first column, gender, income, occupation, and satisfaction. One more important point is that in the variable view, these 1 2 3 4 represents the number of the variable, whereas in the data view these 1 2 3 4 represents the observation. So this is very important. So now again we see this data, and then in the data sheet I type only here the numerics only, 1 2 3 and 4. It is not required that I have to type here merely male, income is this, occupation is govt, gof. No, this is not like that. So let's say if the first is gender is male, so I type here is 1, I type here is 1. Income level is, let's see, 40,000, so I type here is 40,000. Occupation is government job, so this is, in my variable view the government job is 1, so I type here is 1. Satisfaction rating is 5, so I type here is 5. Similarly, observation 2 is again 1, this is 60,000. Occupation is on business, it means 2 category, and satisfaction is 4, so I type here is 4. Make this one small so that I can type here. Okay, now you can see easily. Okay, so third one is your female, 80,000, so female is 2, this is your 80,000, and occupation category is private job 2, and this is 4. Like this we have to enter one by one all the variables here. So similarly for fourth one is your male. So in this way you type all the variables in this data view, and at the end you are required to save this one like this. Save, I save it on my desktop, so this one is desktop, and then save with this my data. save this one and then close.